Recipe shortcut today, mini pizzas, yum.
Hi everyone, welcome to Anna's Coastal Kitchen. I am making us a little treat tonight. I'm using Grand's biscuits. You know what you can do with these? You make little mini pizzas. So I've already got some started here. I've got some smoked mozzarella, fresh smoked mozzarella down here. And I've got some of this Za'atar mix, traditional Lebanese Za'atar mix, which is thyme, sesame seeds, and a few other spices, but you can find that in like a Middle Eastern market. And then I used Paul Cullen's Rockin' and Rollin' olive oil. And then I mixed that, I mixed about a couple teaspoons to the and with the olive oil, just to where I have like the consistency, just some runny mixture like this. So I've got these done, but with these I added the smoked mozzarella and some basil, fresh basil that I did some chiffonade. And here I just take the biscuit dough. These are the buttery biscuits. The regular ones are just as fine as well. I'm just trying the buttery biscuit ones this time. So I just kind of go around, kind of like if you would a pizza dough. Just go around in a circle, kind of stretch it out. Oh, and if you rip it, you can just put it back together again. So I'm just kind of giving it a head start. I like to flatten these out pretty thin because I don't like them really thick. So this is about as thin as I did the dough, okay, for all of these. And then I just spooned it on top. Here, this one needs just a little bit more. You don't want to add too much. I also crimped the edges. Very easy. Crimp it like you would a pie. Crimp like you're crimping the edge of a crust of a pie. So anyways, these are ready to go. Again, we've got the smoked mozzarella with the basil and the za'atar with the olive oil. So this is gonna go in the oven at 375.
These are gonna bake for about 12 to 13 minutes until brown on the edges.
Okay, now pan it to me. And we'll be right back.
Complete instructions are in the description below, including my spicy Armenian cheese mixture from a previous episode. After a few minutes, these are really nice and browned on the edges. I love enjoying it with one of my favorite, arugula salad.
Za'atar bread, smoked fresh mozzarella with basil, and then tomato with black olives and a little bit of za'atar. Bon appetit!
If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment below.